take it apart and get it cleaned up. Put that aside for later. We'll find it later. It's like petrified on. We'll get this zip back together and we can finally see if it'll run. So I brought it back in, cleaned the points, still didn't get spark. I had the switch off. Got that going, got it sparking. Went ahead and tried it because I was worried about it losing spark again, and it fired and ran a little bit. And then that happened. It broke. So, I guess for now, off to the next project. Sometimes it just doesn't go the way you want it to. But at least we're having fun. Alright, till next time. Bye.